Unveiling the Smarts. Understanding, be clever. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, be clever. This is a common expression in English, but it can be a bit tricky to understand all the nuances and appropriate contexts for its use. By the end of this video, you'll not only comprehend what it means to be clever, but you'll also know how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get smart about being clever. When we say, be clever, we're essentially talking about being intelligent, resourceful, or witty in a particular situation. It's not just about having knowledge, but also about applying it effectively. Sometimes, being clever means you're able to solve a problem in a way that's not obvious, or you're able to make a quick and witty remark. Everyday conversations. In daily life, if someone tells you to be clever, they might be encouraging you to think critically or to make smart choices. For example, if you're taking a test, a friend might say, be clever with your answers, meaning think carefully and come up with the best responses you can. Workplace and school. In professional or educational environments, be clever could be a motivational phrase. It suggests using one's intellect to overcome challenges or come up with innovative solutions. Social interactions. In social contexts, telling someone to be clever might be a way of asking them to be witty or humorous. For instance, if you're going to a party, a friend might advise you to be clever, to impress others with your quick wit. While be clever is generally positive, it's important to note that sometimes it can have a slightly negative connotation. For instance, calling someone too clever might imply that they are being crafty or cunning in a way that's not entirely sincere. Let's see how be clever works in sentences. Positive sense. You need to be clever to solve these complex math problems. Social wit. When you're at the debate, be clever with your arguments to win the crowd. Negative sense. He was too clever for his own good, tricking others to get ahead. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, be clever, and how you can use it to enhance your English communication. Remember, being clever is not just about what you know, but also how you use your knowledge. Stay clever, and use this newfound understanding to impress with your English skills. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.